OMG, OMG. Each and every episode of this series becomes more and more interesting and more entertaining to watch. Hey guys, this is your anime mate. Here's me telling you all about Attack on Titan's final season, episode 8. Those who did not watch this episode, spoilers ahead. Well, in this episode, the nightmare to Marley comes to an end. After a great destruction and the deaths of many people, especially the death of Warhammer Titan. On the other hand, the people of Paradise Island get to win the first victory, but the happiness of the first victory is taken away from them in the form of Gabi. Well, there are two most annoying characters for me in this entire show. Number 1, Gabi, and number 2, the Beast Titan. Well, after today's episode, Gabi's screen presence will just make me so much uncomfortable and so much annoying. Probably if she was in real life, I just want to kick her butt so badly. I hope she dies very quickly in this show. The shitty Gabi, as shitty as always, does some really shitty things in this episode and lands up in a really big shit. This episode really surprises everyone with an unexpected major twist in the tale and ends up on a really high promising note. From the preview of episode 8, I was expecting a great face-off battle between Eren and Reiner. Instead, we get something more interesting and something more surprising in this episode. We get to see Levi Ackerman a bit more than the previous episodes, and also an entry of new character, the one who sets Pakkun and Floke in the booby trap in episode 5. The people of Paradise Island and Eren Yeager successfully escape from Marley through the Hanjisa's plane. We get to see Eren chained in this episode and Levi giving his style of beating to Eren for forcing them into the big fight, which reminds us of the Eren and Levi's first encounter. Two major things take place in this episode. Number 1, the death of a semi-important but lovable character Sarah, which is killed by Gabi, and number 2, the biggest twist of the tale, Commander Zeke betraying Marley and is in talks with the people of Paradise Island. On the whole, we see Gabi and Falco captured by the people of Paradise Island and death of Sarah and twist of Commander Zeke in this episode. My final verdict on this episode: rest in peace, Potato Girl, and Gabi, please die as soon as possible. Well, the episode finally ends with Eren's evil laughter and also opening many new possibilities to the future episodes. Let's wait and see what happens next in the upcoming episodes, guys, how this major twist of Commander Zeke is going to affect the other episodes. Until then, thank you and goodbye, guys. And that was the video, guys. Please do like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel.